In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube videos with Wave.video. Open Wave.video in your browser and head to the My Projects page. This is your home base where all your videos live. From here, click Create to start a new project. You'll see a few options. Choose blank video so you have full control over everything you add. For YouTube, select the horizontal format. This sets your canvas to the classic widescreen look that fits YouTube perfectly, typically 16:09. Choosing the right orientation up front saves you from awkward cropping later. Next, pick where your footage will come from. You can choose built-in sources, and for this walkthrough, we'll use the library. The stock library is handy when you need B-roll or background clips. If you already have your own footage, you can add or upload your video from your device. Mix and match if you like. Wave.video lets you combine uploads with stock clips in one timeline. Once your clips are in, it's time to make edits. Trim the start and end to remove dead space, split a clip to cut out mistakes, and rearrange segments so your story flows. Use transitions sparingly to keep things professional. If you're adding music, keep the volume low under voiceover, around 15 to 25% is a good starting point, and make sure it doesn't distract from your message. Let's add text as an example. Insert a headline for your video title or a lower third with your name or topic. Choose a readable font, high contrast colors, and keep important text within the safe area so it doesn't get cut off on smaller screens. You can animate the text for a subtle entrance, but keep it consistent so your video looks cohesive. When you're happy with the result, click Publish. This is where you prepare the final file. Choose Render to export your video. Rendering can take a few minutes depending on length and effects, so let it process. It's a good time to double-check your title ideas and description copy for YouTube. After rendering, you can publish directly to platforms. Select YouTube under the Publish to options. Wave.video will open a new tab so you can connect your channel. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection, then finalize your upload details. Set your video title, description, thumbnail, and privacy setting, and confirm the upload. That's it. You've created, edited, rendered, and published a YouTube video using Wave.video, all in a streamlined workflow. Save this process for your next video so you can move even faster. Thanks for watching and happy creating.